This is a 2018 Silverado 5.3. This was brought in by the customer, already modified, just for us to look it over and go through it, retune it, and get a little more power out of it, sort of turn it up a little bit. It's got a Procharger, cam, and a drop-in rod piston kit, only on about 12 pounds of boost, what we're seeing at the very peak. And just getting their fuel dialed in, and then we're going to add a little time and see what it'll like, and go from there. We really improved the drivability on it, and we're working on the engine side now. Made 544, 533, and air fuel's good there. We're going to lean it out a little bit more up top. Finished up with a nice torque and horsepower curve. Air fuel looks great, and it is 584, 571. So a huge difference from where we started at. 3 something on the lower boost, turned it up, made low 500s, and picked up 60 or so after some tuning. Until next time.